Introduction to Power BI. Overview of Power BI. Installing Power BI Desktop. Understanding Power BI interface. Data sources and connections. Connecting to Excel, CSV, SQL, and other sources. Data importing and refreshing. Direct query versus import mode. Data transformation with Power Query. Introduction to Power Query Edit. Data cleaning and shaping. Merging and appending queries. Basic data modeling. Understanding relationships. Creating simple measures and calculated columns. Building a star schema. Basic visualizations. Creating bar, line, pie charts. Using tables and matrices. Formatting and customizing visuals. Advanced data modeling. Normalization and denormalization. Using DAX for data manipulation. Creating hierarchies and drill-throughs. DAX functions and measures. Introduction to DAX data analysis expressions. Aggregate, logical, and filter functions. Time intelligence functions. Advanced visualizations. Using advanced chart types scatter, waterfall, KPI. Custom visuals and marketplace. Conditional formatting and tooltips. Power BI service. Publishing reports to Power BI service. Creating dashboards. Sharing and collaboration. Role-level security, RLS. Implementing role-based security. Dynamic RLS with DAX. Performance optimization. Optimizing data models. Improving query performance. Reducing report load time. Advanced DAX. Context transition and row context. Advanced time intelligence functions. Variables and complex measures. Power BI paginate reports. Understanding paginate reports. Creating pixel perfect reports. Exporting and automating reports. Integration and automation. Embedding Power BI in web apps. Power Automate for report automation. Using recipes with Power BI. AI and machine learning in Power BI. Using iVisuals key influencers, decomposition tree. Integrating Python and R in Power BI. Forecasting and predictive analytics. Deployment and governance. Power by Premium versus Pro. Data Flows and Data Gateway. Monitoring and auditing reports.